How many? Perfect.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
They're good. And I'll take jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like oh,
Yeah, jellyfish!
right.
Dory, do something!
Hey, stop the jaws. Can't catch me.
Swim away!
Look, I'm scared now.
I wonder if clownfish taste funny.